Hey guys, it's Jess. Come with me. We're going to go inside Lewistown Liquidators. I'm going to get my first mystery box and see how much profit I can make on it in 2 weeks. See which one looks like the good one. I think I'm going to opt for this one. Get a mystery box to see how much profit I can make in 2 weeks. Okay guys, we're gonna get this taken care of here, and I will meet you out there to see what we unbox. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right guys, so opening the mystery box, we have some clothing. What else do we got in here? We got some more. We got some leggings. Actually, quite a few packs of leggings. Great for reselling. Oh, super nice bracelet. I actually have one of these myself. It's a prayer bracelet. Phone case. What do we got here? Looks like a drain. We got rugs. Super nice. For reselling. We got, what is this? I'm not sure. It looks like some type of coffee mug. More phone cases. Chicken keychain. My choice. This is an emergency contraceptive. We got Mount Fiji Love Comfort collection. Looks like an apple. It looks like a candle maybe. It is. We got 2 of those in here. Some more clothing, multiples of clothing, actually multiples of the prayer bracelet. God is bigger than your highs and lows. That's what they stand for, so those are great. I know what I purchased mine for. More drops. We got some tampons. Anybody need those? We got some more of the apple candles. Got about 5 of those in here. And more of the coffee type keychains. I'll have to do a little bit more research on these. Just giving you a general overall what's in the box. Looks like some Christmas clothing, some greens. This is some sprouting seeds. So clover, sprouting seeds. These are your foot cushions for in your heels. Some more contraceptive. And we have liver health tablets. So overall, pretty good mystery box for reselling. What we're gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and resell this over the next 2 weeks and let you know what profit I make, and we'll go ahead and buy more mystery boxes with it to show you what you can make.